guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a Dollar Tree haul and a Wellington. You want to say hi? He's like, I don't think so. Why you keep touching me, Mom? Why you keep picking me up? Okay. Yes, so we have a haul today. A couple days worth of Dollar Tree. Haven't done too much. I do have some coffee in my new Ray Dunn mug. I finally was able to find a Ray Dunn mug at the store. And I will tell you, here, I don't know where it's like where you're at. Peppermint mocha. Hi, buddy. But here, people go to all the TJ Maxx, all the Marshalls, they buy it up, and then they sell it for twice what they paid. So I wasn't willing to pay that. So I just stumbled into a TJ Maxx the other day and found one mug. So I was excited. All right, so Dollar Tree hauls is a lot of crafty stuff, regular stuff, you name it, it's all the stuff. Right, Dobbs? Somebody wants it. Oh, and now we have Alex coming to you. Okay, sir. Can you lay over here? You lay right down there. There you go. And this is in no particular order. I picked up some Salon Selectives. This is anti-humidity extra hold because, you know, when you got some volume, you gotta have lots of hairspray. And this is some mousse. These are not large containers, but I would say they're half of what a normal size can is, but price is good and I needed it. So I grabbed that. Scent-wise, I don't really know. But I'm using some stuff right now that smells like paint fumes. It's terrible. Which is okay. Then I got a 4-pack of these little vases. I'm gonna use them actually for a base to something. One of them anyway, but 4 for $1 is a good deal. They're votive holders, so you can use them for that. You can stack them and do all kinds of stuff. So that's what I plan to do with those. For a DIY I have coming up. For some more crafty bits, I grabbed some plastic cups. I tend to use these for paint and messy stuff that I don't want to ruin dishes or whatever. So yeah, one of these will last me a fair amount of time. So I grabbed one of those 28 cups. I grabbed your obligatory Christmas light necklace to have. We went to the zoo last night. The Columbus Zoo does lights at the zoo, and we went last night before it got cold because the temperature's dropping today moving forward. It's been in the 50s up until this afternoon. It's been snowing and raining off and on all day. Anyway, so we wore these last night, but I had an extra. So I sent the kids home with theirs. I might have went a little nutso on these pads, but I love them. These are just black Post-it notes, but I have a white pen and I love writing on them. Makes me happy. So I saw them and I grabbed a couple packs, 3 to be exact. These are for my desk. I write myself, you know, work notes and stuff. So these will go, sorry for the crinkling, unless you like it. Yeah, you get 120 sheets. They don't stick great, but I tend to write notes and then I have, you know, toss it. So I grabbed 3 packs because I saw them and I hadn't seen them in a while. Then I picked up something that I really don't need, but I did need. So I'm doing a DIY with this for a video and I wanted to show all Dollar Tree products. So I picked up 2 skeins of yarn. Now I have plenty of yarn, but this is, actually it's not that bad to be honest with you. For acrylic yarn, it's pretty soft. This is chunky weight. And I grabbed it in a gray and a white. I'm gonna make a DIY with these. And I needed some fun yarn. Ugh, my ear hurts. I'm all stuffed up. So yeah, I grabbed these 2. And this is a 82 yards. These are 60-gram containers. And they're not bad. My store seems to carry a fair amount of these little balls of yarn. Different weights. They have worsted and chunky and then cotton. And the cotton you can use to make like dishcloths and stuff. This is for a DIY. So we'll put that over there in that's for the DIY pile for ya. On that same trip, I found a t-shirt. Now, I will say, when you find these t-shirts, give them a really good look because sometimes they have holes in them. But I really liked this blue-gray color, and I thought it would be fun. It's a little bigger than what I need, but I thought it would be fun to make like some pajamas or something. Like iron on or something like that. Another hint or hack is take these stickers off when you get them home. If the longer the sticker is on there, the harder the residue is to get off your shirts. But these are, I mean, this is, Anvil is the brand, lightweight, 100% cotton. But just like I said, look for holes, because that is a thing. It's a thing. I found a couple more cute gift bags. I'm a sucker for a gift bag, guys, but look at the Santa. So this side is shiny and sparkly with glitter, and this side is not. It's just the regular. And then the side panels on here are just your wood. And the same thing with the snowman. There's all kinds of glitter on the front. And on the side, it's just that. But I like this size bag, and I actually just made a video is going to go up tomorrow, and I needed these bags to package that. I didn't have any more of that size. And then I picked up one of these plastic houses. I wanted the shape specifically because I'm going to spray paint it and put it in my my winter tiered tray. So I'm going to spray paint it like white and then maybe glitter over it, make it like snow. Not that it's not cute like it is, but I just not the look I'm going for. And it says on the bottom, do not use electric C7 or C9 bulbs, only intended for battery operated LED tea lights. So there's a whole one, like it's taped over the bottom. I'll get all the tape off, but I'll show you. You could also, instead of putting a tea light, put like string lights up in there, the little warm, cool ones. But yeah, I just grabbed that. I won't do a DIY, but I'll probably show you when I do my tiered tray. I have sticker all over me. But my idea was spray paint it white and then put it in the tray with some greenery and stuff. Fun, right? Right. Let me get this stuff over here. Okay. Now, in here I have, oh, I got another one of these window clings. Look at the Santa. But I really got it for this polar bear. I am obsessed with him. And these little, so what I think I'm going to do, I got this at the Target dollar spot for $3. I think I'm going to put the polar bear on here with some snowflakes. I know, right? Isn't that awesome? So that's going to be maybe tomorrow. So here's what the stickers look like. They have a grayness to them, but when they don't stick. These are clings. So you're going to have to use a fair amount of Mod Podge, but on the black background, you really wouldn't be able to tell when I seal it that it's kind of like I got a grayish tinge to it. But they're window clings, not the window stickers. So you do have to put a coat of so I would have to put a coat of Mod Podge, put the things where I want, let it dry, and then either Mod Podge over it or seal over it. So I'm going to do the snowflakes and this polar bear because he is literally everything. I'll try to remember to do a video and show you, or at least show you in a vlog, the finished product. How about that? Okay, I grabbed some of this pre-cut 4 pieces of white poster board. It just comes in really handy and it's a convenient size. It's basically the same as a big one. It's just already pre-cut for me because I have some ideas I want to try. So there's that. I grabbed tissue paper. I was running low on tissue paper and I really liked these. This one has the red truck. And then the red, green, and plaid. And this one just is green Merry Christmas with the red. And I have some more gifting to wrap up. So I grabbed a little more. You gotta grab it when you see it. I found, finally, 1 pack of these stems. I love these. The winter garland ties. So now I have, I think, 3 packs. So that's perfect for the rest of my seasonal crafting. And on the same vein, I picked up 2 more of these. So I have an idea, but I'm not sure which direction I want to go with it, because I found one, I tell you, of this tree. So since I'm already really decorated for Christmas, I'm thinking I want to do something with white for wintertime on here. And I have the material all ready to do it. So if that happens, I'll show you. So I have this tree here, and then I got 2 more of these little garland trees. And whatever I do to this big one, I'm going to do to this garland one. And then I need to figure out a way to maybe make this a little taller. So I'm not 100% sure. Maybe I'll put some foam under it. Oh yeah, I have foam. Some foam, because I like things 3 different heights. So maybe what I'll do is cut a foam circle and make this a little taller than this one, which is not as tall as this one. So I think I have an idea to do all 3 of these. They'll be different heights, but they will be in the same whatever, the green or not. I have to do it and see if I like it. I think I would like to do it for winter though, for a winter decor, and not necessarily greenery. If that's the case, I will always use garland, so I'm not worried about that. I picked up one of these, and I didn't realize these come in 2 different sizes. So my other one is bigger, but it's fine for what I'm gonna do. But you can make a snowman because they come in a bigger one and a smaller. Isn't that neat? So I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I haven't really decided yet. It's a possibility. How about that? Here I am pulling tags again, but I'm kind of obsessed with pulling tags because it makes me anxious when they stick. And then I have to get the Goo Gone out and blah, blah, blah. So yeah, thought that was fun. And I'm not sure what I'll do with it, but there's something that's gonna happen with that. So I have a big one and I have a little one because I didn't realize they came in 2 different sizes. I grabbed a chalkboard again. I like decorating with these for all different projects. So I always just like to have a couple of them on hand, and I was out. I used my last one. So I just picked up one. I don't have any plans for that. I did pick up 2 of these frames. These are nice. They're 8 by 10. I like how wide they are, and I love the copper and the white together, actually. Again, no plans, but I saw them and thought this is a good thing to have, right? Especially for DIYs. Oh, we have a fast one today. Ugh, ugh. It's a fast one. Okay, I got some Christmas cards because I think they're pretty. This one is snowflakes, and it says deck the halls, and on the back it says Merry Christmas from our home to yours. And I like the snowman, or the snowflake, and this one has 6 cards. Maybe I should have reevaluated that. Whatever, I liked them. And this one has 12 cards, and it's Santa, and it says Snow Much Fun. And on the back it says, wishing you a happy, jolly, cheerful kind of Christmas. So I grabbed those just to have extras. I need to mail my cards out actually this weekend to my family. I found the red truck that lights up. So let's pull this tag. Okay. How fun is that? I don't love that it changes color, but you know, you deal with what you got, right? I like this a lot. There were literally 3 on the shelf, and this lady right in front of me in line grabbed 2, and I was like, can I have that one? Before she took the last one. She gave it to me. So I like that. I think it's just pretty to sit. It's already done. Nothing needs to be done to that. I found the candy that I have been looking for. My store finally got it in. My niece likes these. The Ruffle Stover Caramel Santas. And you get 4 little Santas in a pack. So they're like that big. So the whole package is 2 ounces. So I would say they're half an ounce each, but I grabbed 2 for my niece's stocking. She really likes those. And then I grabbed some turtle bites for her. Oops, sorry. I grabbed some turtle bites for her. And these are pecan chocolate caramel. Yeah, so I grabbed those for her stocking, because all the other candy I gave away. But Sarah, I need to have some candy for her stocking. And tomorrow's the 1st, and we get to do the advent calendar for the cats. I'm excited. And then I found these, and I thought these were so fun. They're little goodie bags. This one said, and they had a 3rd one at my store, but it was okay. But this one says Merry and Bright, and this one just has the Christmas tree on it. Let's open them. And you get 3 pieces. And I feel like you used to get 4, but whatever. Oh, they're little gift bags. So you put whatever you want, and you can tie it off. But what you could also do as a decoration is fill this with fiberfill or stuffing and just pull it, and then you could sit it under a tree like a gift bag. I like that, and that's pretty decent quality. I mean, that's nice iron-on. And the bag, I would say, is a muslin. Maybe, yeah, I would say it's muslin if I had to guess. It doesn't say what the fiber is, but anyway, so I bought 1 pack of the Christmas tree and 1 of the Merry and Bright. And these would be great too if you had little gifts that you needed to give to somebody, or you wanted to add to the top of a bigger package, so things don't get lost. But that's really nice. It just says Merry and Bright. And I think it's screen printed on there. It's not like an iron-on. It's painted on there like screen printing. So they're good size, and I like them. And I think they're adorable, and they will come in handy when I'm wrapping gifts. And, you know, because sometimes you get smaller items. Even if you're doing like a larger gift basket or a gift bag, you can put the smaller items in the package so they don't get lost. Okay, and the last thing I picked up is just this bucket to use for something. I'm not 100% sure. Got a couple ideas. Either it's going to be to gift my neighbors the cookie kits. For my one neighbor, for the little girls, I'm going to put some already baked sugar cookies, and then I'm making frosting, and I bought sprinkles. Where are my sprinkles? Okay, I'm going to grab them. They're right here. So I went to Michael's looking for sprinkles because there's 3 little girls, but I'm not giving them 10 dozen cookies. It's just, you know, I'm going to give them my lighting is weird. I'm just going to give them, you know, like 9, 10 cookies, maybe a dozen to frost, and then some frosting. So I went looking, and I thought this was fantastic for them. It's like a pinky red. And it's just a bag, Wilton sprinkles, chocolates. I think it's like 6-lits and just sprinkles. So I'm going to put this. I almost just had a heart attack. I'm sitting here talking to you, and I just saw my window was behind you, and I just saw a man walk up to my door. I don't know what is happening to my light here. It was the UPS guy. Okay, anyway, heart attack. So I grabbed this sprinkles to put in because this will be plenty for them to decorate, and I just loved the color. It's like a pinky red, and I thought they would appreciate it. So most likely what I will do in here, I have the cookie for Santa plate. I'll put it in the back. I will put a bag of unfrosted cookies, and then I'll put the frosting and the sprinkles over here and let them go to town. All right, everybody. Well, I hope you enjoyed, and I will talk with you later. Bye.